Hi, Jay from Downey and Nelson Company. Wanted to show you a project we're working on today. We're working at a busy machine shop here in Bucks County, and we are cleaning this carpet, which as you can see is pretty heavily soiled. Wanted to show you kind of an extra step that we take compared to most carpet cleaning businesses, and that is we power scrub the carpet first using this machine. We've just got standard carpet cleaner in there, and we're going to use this machine to power scrub, and they will be extracted out using obviously the truck that's out there, and then these tools here. But you're going to see some kind of amazing transformation just putting this cleaner down. And we've already cleaned and extracted this out. We're going to move over to here now, but we're going to turn this machine on here and just show you the difference of what power scrubbing can do to your carpet in a commercial setting. All right, I'm going to turn it on. Alright, so as you can see, we haven't done any cleaning at all. We've just put down the cleaner. It's only been sitting for 30 seconds, and you can see it's already starting to break up that oil, grease, and dirt that's been built up over time with all the traffic. We're going to come down here and clean all this. But this is really the finished product right here. This was just as bad, and as you can see, it's nice and clean. Just another step that we take to ensure your carpet is as clean as possible. When we do flush out with a rinse, and it kind of neutralizes the cleaner and leaves your carpet really as fresh as possible. So we're always here if you want to get an estimate from us. We can stop out. We do work on nights and weekends, so we can clean on your off hours of your business. But thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.